Welcome to Inside a Fairy Tale. Here is the story about the Sunstone Quest. Enjoy. In the tapestry of your inner world, where emotions paint the landscape of your reality, there exists a veil shadowed by the clouds of despair. Yet it is said that within this realm lies a hidden treasure, a sunstone of such brilliance it can dispel the darkest gloom and guide one back to the light of hope. You, a seeker of light, are called to embark on this noble quest to find the sunstone and reclaim the radiance of your spirit. In the quiet sanctuary of your own space, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Breathe deeply, grounding yourself in the present moment. With each breath, envision yourself stepping away from the tumult of your emotions, preparing to journey into a realm where light and shadow dance in eternal balance. As you venture forth, you find yourself at the edge of the shadowed veil, a land where the sun's warmth seems but a distant memory. The air here is thick with fog, each step forward a testament to your courage. Feel the weight of the shadows, but do not despair, for within you burns a flame, a spark of hope that no darkness can extinguish. Deep within the veil, you begin to notice a faint glimmer in the distance, a soft light that beckons you forward. With each step, the light grows stronger, illuminating your path, guiding you through the fog. This light, though external, reflects the inner strength you possess, a reminder that even in the darkest times, you are never truly alone. Your journey leads you to the heart of the veil, where the light emanates from a clearing guarded by an ancient being, the keeper of the soundstone. This guardian, neither friend nor foe, challenges you to prove your worth, to demonstrate that you possess the resilience and the heart to wield the sunstone's power. The keeper presents you with a challenge, a trial that tests not your strength of arms, but the strength of your spirit. You are asked to confront your deepest fears, to speak your truth aloud in the presence of the shadows. As you voice your fears, you realize that acknowledging them is the first step in overcoming them. The shadows begin to recede, dispelled by the light of your awareness and courage. Deeming you worthy, the Keeper bestows upon you the Sunstone, a radiant gem that glows with the light of 1,000 suns. As you hold the stone in your hand, its warmth spreads through you, filling you with a sense of hope and clarity. The veil around you is transformed, bathed in a golden light that chases away the remnants of the fog. With the sunstone's light guiding you, you understand that the journey through the shadowed veil was not just about finding the stone, but about discovering the light within yourself. The sunstone, while powerful, is but a reflection of your own inner radiance, a symbol of the hope, strength, and resilience that reside within you. As you leave the veil, carrying the sunstone and its light within you, the journey back to the present begins. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the world with a newfound sense of hope and purpose. Carry the essence of the sunstone with you into your daily life, a beacon of hope in times of despair, a source of warmth in moments of cold doubt. Let it remind you of your journey through the veil and the light you found there. A light that can never be dimmed. The Sunstone Quest teaches us that even in our darkest moments, there's always a path back to the light. The veil, with all its shadows, is not a place to be feared, but a landscape to be navigated, with the sunstone, the light of hope, as our guide. Remember, the true sunstone lies within your heart, a perpetual source of light that can illuminate the darkest of veils and guide you back to the warmth of hope and joy.